the best way to launch your new school or course? Pre-launch it. But how can pre-launching help you create buzz for your school or new course? With just a few clicks? With no coding whatsoever? By simply adding content section to your courses page? Easy, with the help of the LearnWorlds all-powerful Site Builder pre-launch feature. Let me show you how it works in action, and let's pre-launch your course in your school. While on your school's dashboard, navigate to Site Builder and click on Edit School Site. On the left drop-down menu, click on Manage All Pages. Choose your courses page from the Pages Manager or any other page you want to add a pre-launch section to. You can add a pre-launch section directly to your courses page, your school's homepage, any other existing page, or even to a new page. Now, let's add a pre-launch section to your courses page so you can start collecting email addresses. Click on Edit Page, and then click on the Add section available throughout the courses page. On the pop-up window that appears, click on Pre-launch and select one of the available templates. The pre-launch elements are customizable. You can adjust them however you like. You may edit the columns, set a timer countdown, change the placeholder text, add images or videos, change the buttons and their actions, and so on. If the template you have selected has a timer, you can click on it to edit it. You can edit it from the site form, and you may select the timer type from date to visitor. You can also select what will happen when the timer finishes to show a message, hide a timer, redirect to URL, and so on. And you can even display the count in days, hours, minutes, and/or seconds. Keep in mind that you can also add a timer as a widget in any pre-launch template that doesn't have a timer. To do so, click on the plus icon, navigate to the timer, select a pre-made template, and just like that, it's added into your pre-launch template. Then make sure to click on Save to save your changes. Your new pre-launch section is now ready and fully functional. Trigger your visitors' anticipation with a course or website pre-launch. Start growing your email list today. If you're not a registered user yet, then start your 30-day free trial today and explore the limitless possibilities of our fantastic pre-launch feature. Get those email leads coming.